Holy shit. All right, cool. So Henry and Emily from KDM Driven just showed up, saw him drive in. Henry was sick as Jenny, scraping all the way inside. And Emily, damn, this damn car is fucking badass. Actually making me want to go back to like a gloss color. So I'm kind of thinking about it. So we're going to go ahead and do the Velossa Tech install today. And this is what it looks like for the 19 and up Elantra. It actually is pretty nice because it has, not only does it have, you know, that real good quality 3D printed design, but it comes with some heat shielding on it.
So keep it like that?
Mine didn't, and that's because it probably goes deeper into the engine bay, so that's pretty cool. I know, right? So first thing we're gonna go ahead and do is take off the bumper. And starting off with, what is that, a 10?
8 mil. Actually,
8 mil.
8.
Oh, damn.
That's why I had a 10. I was like, I got the 10 out because that's what the Jenny is.
It's an 8.
Weird.
Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm assuming it's going to be 8 on both sides, and then you're going to have taps and clips all the way across.
I like the clips on these though because they're the pull down clips. They're not like mine where they're the threaded screw on where the threads like.
Oh, so they're like mine. You just go ahead and put a flathead on it.
Drop it straight out.
Pop out.
Yeah. I like those.
Nice. Me too. All right, let's put this thing down and let's peel this bumper off. All right, so Henry went ahead and did all the clips. So you don't have any 8 or 10 mils up here, it's just clips, right?
Yeah, luckily it's all just clips. These
Cool.
are all separate, so we should be able to just kind of pop this
So just
right
prop
off.
the bumper off.
Let me just pop this side off too.
All right. Then you also had clips on the bottom.
I forgot the clip on the side for the
Oh, okay. Take a look at the engine bay though. Wow. It's pretty dope.
If only she could be an end sister like you.
Yeah, we'll get there. We'll get there. We'll make it happen. Alright, let me grab the other side then.
I like these ones compared to the Genesis style build. I'm pretty sure yours are the same. It's like a ribbon, bro. Mine were just plastic building.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So
I just
once you take the bumper piece from here.
Yeah, so I kind of grab it from right here and then here. And you just try to stick my finger back there.
Okay.
Kinda.
All right, cool.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I didn't want to.
No, don't even trip, bro. No worries. No worries. Did I leave one on?
I think so.
I think this one right here. Does that have to come off? No. That's one?
We can't take the DRL harnesses off.
Yeah. Can you give me the flat that I was using later? Take your time.
Not a flat.
No, the screwdriver, right?
If not, if you go by my bumper, I have two.
Do you?
Yeah.
Just any. I wish I had my own.
I've broken a nail like that before.
Bro, screaming afterwards, like, ah! Or when it goes underneath and touches the skin under there, I'm like, ah! You're like a girl, bro. No.
Yeah. Put the bumper off to the side so you got it.
Alright, cool. Appreciate it.
Shipping it, right? right, so now that bumper's off.
It's gonna just probably not right up to here. How
Yeah.
I'm gonna move those. And
That's exactly where it's gonna be.
These screws that they give you there.
Right here.
So these will be 10 millimeter.
All right, so that's actually gonna be a 10 mil. Henry's knocking this thing out like he's been doing it for ages, man. And if you guys don't follow him, make sure you guys do. KDM Driven on IG, they actually host monthly meets. And we were talking just a little while ago, might go ahead and maybe do a show once this whole pandemic is over. So keep an eye out. That'll be pretty dope. We'll see what we can do here. So looks like it's gonna be really easy. All we're gonna do in here,
Exactly. I like that they have.
pop this guy in here. You might actually have to take the heat shield from here off.
Let's do
From
it.
the looks of it.
Let's do it.
Let's check it out.
It's rubbing.
Yeah, it's rubbing it there, but it does have a cut there. So try to put it on. Might have to just, there you go. Oh, so you don't even need to do that. Perfect.
It does. It's actually a perfect fit.
Perfect.
It's actually really nice.
So on the Veloster, you actually have to take off the whole shroud.
Really?
Yeah, to fit it there. And on the Elantras, you don't have to. That's pretty cool.
Huh?
One more of these.
That's pretty dope.
Side of the bag.
Bag.
All right. So to put it all together, you do get hardware provided with it. So it's gonna be Allen bolt that goes in there. And it's gonna be quick and easy. Actually, it looks like painless.
I think the only hard part is just that you only get so much room with this. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's the only thing. You're only gonna get so much room, unless if you have a long.
Allen.
Wait, because you don't have that size in your long ones, do you?
I actually might. I just have to go see it.
Nah.
I don't keep it organized, bro. I just throw all my stuff in there.
I'm-
Bag, it's in my car.
I'm bad at that when it comes to the Allens too, dude. I don't care.
Just like, ooh, you know?
Yeah. Huh. Have you guys thought about doing the 6-speed horns on this one?
So I have some at the house for the Jenny that I was gonna give her, but they're red, and I told her that I think if we put the reds on here, it would have clashed too much. So if she orders some that are like white or orange, I feel like that would just kind of, you know what I mean?
Yep.
Especially the white, I feel like I told her it would just help bring everything else out. It'll be a nice contrast color to this.
And you were gonna do red on yours?
Yeah, I have the red ones on mine,
Oh damn.
but
Yeah.
I don't even know if I'm gonna keep the red.
You want to go black?
Thinking about it.
I have a set.
Shush.
Yeah, and I don't want to go black.
Got him! Got him!
Not red.
I'm down.
They're not really scratched or anything, but I got them secondhand. But take them. I'll just.
I don't care.
Okay. Got it. Hell yeah.
All right, so we went ahead. Well, Henry went ahead.
Put this back, okay?
Yeah, Henry went ahead and installed the big mouth there. Actually looks pretty badass. Really easy to do. All you need to do is take off the bumper, clips, and then that's gonna be 2 10s that come from the stock snorkel or the little stock piece that's there. Then you use the provided hardware with the washers, put it back in. All we gotta do now is reinstall the bumper and we're good to go. Cool, so we are actually here about a week later. So we were doing the Velossa Tech Big Mouth, and then also at the same time, Henry and Emily were doing the grill from Custom Car Grills, which you guys will see done in another video. So, besides everything that we already did, the only thing that was needed was to put the bumper back on, and that's it. So if you guys want to go ahead and get the big mouth for the Elantra, go ahead and hit up Velossa Tech, and they have all kinds of different colors you can choose from. And we'll see you guys for the next one.